no, tell what you're saying.
Hello.
Go.
Hello guys, today this is me, Zain Rafael Rodriguez, and today this is my new YouTube channel because I'm making pancake. Yay! This is the flour. Let's go take it.
Slowly.
Wait, I put in my hand and do like this.
One more.
You got mercy Catherine, no?
Yeah.
No, how will I? Mommy, I do more. I do more. More.
Later.
Mommy, like this.
Enough na.
Now stale.
Milk.
Milk. Where's the milk? Here. I put too much.
Wait, let's
I want to also do that, Mommy. I want to stir it.
Put this.
Oh, put more.
More. Oops, then still. Put little sugar. 1 spoon sugar. Put 1 spoon.
Can I eat a little? I do everything.
No, still. Slowly. Go.
It looks like vomit.
Talk, no? Put nicely, Do it nicely.
This? Bawa sa balaman na malabalorina cappuccino.
Do it nicely.
I will do. You have to tell me where to stop.
Go. Holly is already hungry.
Oliver making the pancake. Don't cry. It's coming soon, girl.
Coming soon when? August 3rd?
No, now.
More.
She wants to come on first, no, Catherine?
Yeah.
Don't come, no?
Yeah.
Wow, yeah.
And then this is the operation. What is next? She will come back. Telling you.
It came to August 20.
She must be not wanting to come.
Then you make it. Oh, go put it.
Why?